Hi,
Level 2, Swing Out Month, Uptown Swing.
my name's Jeremy.
And I'm Maddie.
And this week we taught,
Swivels and swivel circle.
yeah, we did some cool stuff.
Yeah, we all learned swivels, but we talked about for followers, it usually happens on the 1-2 of a swing out. We learned about it as being fancy walking, where our knees and toes all point out when we step and twist on every weight change, every step. This is something that you can practice at home. You can hold on to a doorknob or a railing and just work on twisting from your core, keeping upstairs very quiet and twisting around yourself. We also talked about getting into a swing out, how we want to prep on 7-8. That's another thing you can work on at home alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, and looping that over and over.
The little thing we did in class, we started in closed, we did a swivels circle, and then we ended up doing a swing out afterwards. Then we did a swing out. Hooray!
Yep. At the end of class, we gave you a couple of variations for followers. We had switches. Those usually happened on and 8, where we had little kitty cat feet, where we'd go and 8, 1, do, ah. And so once you get a handle on that, you can throw that in on any and blah of an even count.
Yeah, leaders did Suzy Q's, and we also did just a basic stepping down the line. Just remember to move tangentially to each other instead of kind of going in a circle.
Yeah. And that was it.